is my project which I titled Missed Deadline Simulator Project. Okay, so the basic idea of this project is this. If you still recall from RTOS in general, let me just make it generally now. From RTOS, the basic idea is that's real-time system. If you design a system, it should be the major goal is this, to achieve it at a particular time. That is, for instance, now you set a deadline and said, oh, I want you to achieve it within 1 second, so it should be activated within 1 second. Okay, for people that have gone through my older video, which is the task timing checker and delay accuracy simulator, this project might feel like same thing, but the differences are this. For the task timing checker, what I basically did was, how long did my task take? I turned on the LED and then I went on and said, okay, after I turn on this, how many times does it take? While for the delay accuracy, I was able to check through which one is the best. Is it the software timer or that of the hardware timer? And I was able to realize after the coding that the hardware timer is more accurate than that of the software timer. For this missed project, I was able to set a deadline. So all my code, I have my deadline as 500. And what I said, if you still remember from my older video on that of the task execution, what I said was, it depends on the clock cycle. That is the clock cycle at which the design of the chip is. So the frequency at which it is designed, that is how it will calculate it. So for this 500, for Arduino, for instance, you have 500 as 0.5 seconds, right? No, for this particular chip is different. You have to design it. You have to check the clock cycle, that is the frequency at which the CPU runs. So having it as 500 now, from my calculation, I have it as 0.5 milliseconds. So from down here, okay, what I did was, okay, I said you should turn on the LED first. After turning on the LED, what you do next is you move down to this point, which is the execution point, and I said, oh, if execution time is less than or equal to deadline, that is, if it's equal to that, it should be what? 1, and it should turn on my LED. Just return LED as on, turn it on as it is. But then if the execution time is greater than the deadline time, that's after calculation from the CPU time, it will give us 0. My LED will turn off and it will indicate that, oh no, it's not working out.